Fusion energy is now central to the government strategy to net zero. And I think that's really exciting, but it's also exciting because materials lie front and centre to that ambition. When you think about the physics of maintaining the temperatures equivalent to that in the sun and extracting that energy, that's a real materials challenge.
UKAEA, they're a central part of Royce. They're leading the way on fusion. This is the second iteration of the roadmap on fusion materials, and it's great to see how it's come on and developed really. It's really drawn out some huge challenges, some great opportunities, and it really juxtapositions up brilliantly against the materials innovation strategy, which we've recently launched back in January. The other thing that it's highlighted, which I think is absolutely critical, is the whole area around the digital thread. So this is what we call materials 4.0, isn't it? How we need to use that to accelerate, whether that's new materials or perhaps more in this case, joining and evaluating those materials so that we can really get them to operate in these really demanding environments. And of course, it's not just about discovering those materials and things, it's about manufacturing them and moving them on. It also brings in different elements of the supply chain. So it's great to see how with the work in fusion will also benefit the wider economy, the manufacturing economy in the UK, which is something that we really want from these innovative projects.
One other important synergy is the synergy between experimentation and modelling and simulation. And I think the facilities at the Materials Research Facility open up a whole range of experiments to educate models to help us to simulate from the atom right up to the facility, looking at different environments, looking at radioactive materials, being able to test and qualify those materials is absolutely critical. So fusion might be the power of the future, but it takes material science to make that a reality.
Absolutely. Lots of challenges ahead, really exciting times.